Okay, 73. QRZ 18 Sugar Delta 105.
14 Radio Sugar 055.
14 Romeo Sugar 055. Good morning, my dear friend Mike. Is a 5x7, 5x9, 5x7, 5x9. Back to you, my friend.
Okay, Theo, 59 at 59 plus. 5 and 9, 5 and 9 plus here. Very, very strong at this morning. I don't have much noise from frequency modulation this morning on this side, so I listen you very, very well. I hope also that all is okay on your side. Back to you, Theo, 105.055.
Okay, Mike. Thank you very much, my friend. Copy you very, very well. Beaming my antenna your direction. Is a 5x9, 5x9 plus. 5x9, 5x9 plus, my dear friend Mike. Is a big noise today from Russia station, Foxtrot Mike modulation, Mike. For you is a QRT station at the moment, Mike?
No, negative. I am using 85 watts. 85 watts at this moment, okay? I don't work QRP power. 85 watts output of the transceiver, Theo, QSL.
Okay, no problem. It's a 20-25 dB. 20-25 dB on the peak, my dear friend Mike. Propagation my side today is very, very good from Europe at the moment. This morning is a poor propagation from 43 division, 172 division, 153, 91 division. I am listening is a very, very strong is a Mr. Alexandro from 234 division. Is a 234 Lima Radio 101. I am listening also is a very, very strong is 206 Sierra Hotel 0 Sierra Hotel is a Mr. Abel. Mr. Abel is, yes, 26 Sierra Hotel 001. Copy is 5x8, 5x9 today. I am working yesterday morning, Mr. Abel. QSL?
Yes, QSL, Theo, no problem. I have made contact with Alessandro from 234 division with a nice report, 5 and 9, and beautiful modulation. So I try to listen Adel, but the conditions are poor with African continent at this moment on my side. I listen him 4x2, 4x3, so I don't try to call him. I don't want to make noise. I have made a contact with him 2 weeks ago, and today the conditions with African continent are not really good in the north part of France. I know that some stations from south part listen him well, but at my side it was too low to make a nice QSO with him. It's why I don't try to call him. About 172 division, I don't listen, I listen nothing from New Caledonia, nothing from Australia or New Zealand at this moment, and also the backscatter is not really good. I just listened this morning with big surprise 104 division, okay? At this time, listening 104 division from north part of France is strange. Hi. Okay, Theo, I tell you this frequency free to make a contact with another station. I wish you all the best. Have a nice day, have a nice week, and also Merry Christmas for you and yours, and see you very, very soon on 11 meters band, my dear friend. 18 Sugar Delta 105, here is 14 Radio Sugar 055 Mike. 73 Theo, see you later.
Okay, Mike, thank you very much for info. Yes, I am listening 233 division. One division via bus cutter this morning also. Okay, Mike, thank you very much. Tomorrow, today morning, send for you QSL card from 18 Sugar Delta plus Golf Romeo Echo 042 is Arquitza Lighthouse. Send for you tomorrow morning, Mike. QSL?
Okay, Theo, thank you very much for this information, and I informed you when I receive it in 100%. Don't worry, I put the pics of Facebook, okay? When I receive this QSL cards, I put the pics on Facebook, don't worry. Thanks in advance for this QSL reply. It's very, very nice. I remember this activation, and also as always with a strong report on my side. Hi. So thanks for info, Theo. Have a nice day, my dear friend, and good luck. Enjoy the DX 18 Sugar Delta 105. Here is 14 Radio Sugar 055. Bye-bye.
Okay, Mike. Thank you very much, my dear friend. Mike, please give me your signal report. My modulation is good. I am testing my new microphone. Is Echo Mike Sierra 14 Desktop microphone by Lincoln. My modulation is good?
Oh, perfect, Theo. Don't worry. And like always, my camera was ready and I have recorded this QSO. I uploaded on my YouTube channel and send you the link very, very soon. You can watch the movie and listen your voice. So no problem with your modulation, Theo. It's perfect, QSO.
Okay, my dear friend Mike. Thank you very much for recording. Okay. 73 Mike, happy Christmas for your family, my dear friend. 14 Radio Sugar 055. This is 18 Sugar Delta 105 returning. Bye for now. Have a nice day. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir, my friend.
Au revoir, Theo. Merci. 73. Bye-bye.
73 QRZ. This is 18 Sugar Delta 105.